First reading. A reading from the book of Ezekiel, chapter 33, verses 7 to 9. If you do not speak to warn the wicked, I will require his blood at your hand. The word of the Lord came to me, saying, You son of man, I have made a watchman for the house of Israel. Whenever you hear a word from my mouth, you shall give them warning from me. If I say to the wicked, O wicked man, you shall surely die, and you do not speak to warn the wicked to turn from his way, that wicked man shall die in his iniquity, but his blood I will require at your hand. But if you warn the wicked to turn from his way, and he does not turn from his way, he shall die in his iniquity, but you will have saved your life. The word of the Lord. Thanks be to God. Psalm 94. Your response. Oh, that today you would listen to his voice. Harden not your hearts. Come, ring out your joy to the Lord. Hail the rock who saves us. Let us come before him, giving thanks. With songs, let us hail the Lord. Your response. Oh, that today you would listen to his voice. Harden not your hearts. Come in. Let us bow and bend low. Let us kneel before the God who made us. For he is our God and we. Your response. Oh, that today you would listen to his voice. Harden not your hearts. The people who belong to his pasture, the flock that is led by his hand. Your response. Oh, that today you would listen to his voice. Harden not your hearts. Oh, that today you would listen to his voice. Harden not your hearts as a Meribah, as on that day Massah in the desert, when your fathers put me to the test, when they tried me, though they saw my rock. Your response. Oh, that today you would listen to his voice. Harden not your hearts. Second reading. A reading from the letter of St. Paul to the Romans, chapter 13, verses 8 to 10. Love is the fulfilling of the law. Owe no one anything except to love one another. For he love his neighbor has fulfilled the law. The commandments: you shall not commit adultery, you shall not kill, you shall not steal, you shall not covet, and any other commandment are summed up in the sentence: you shall love your neighbor as yourself. Love does not wrong to your neighbor. Therefore, love is the fulfilling of the law. The word of the Lord. Thanks be to God.